Welcome to Lesson 5.6, Food Fraud Mitigation and Prevention. The primary learning objective of this lesson is to understand what food fraud mitigation means and why it is essential for protecting food integrity across modern supply chains. A second objective is to understand the principles of food fraud vulnerability assessment and how risk-based thinking is used to identify where fraud is most likely to occur. Finally, this lesson aims to help you identify and apply practical mitigation strategies used in global food systems. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to explain how mitigation focuses on reducing the likelihood of intentional adulteration for economic gain by strengthening controls, increasing transparency, and applying proactive monitoring rather than reacting after fraud incidents occur. You will learn how vulnerability assessments examine each stage of the supply chain and evaluate key factors such as economic pressure, ingredient value, detectability, supplier reliability, and historical fraud patterns. The lesson also introduces widely used prevention frameworks such as VACCP and other international systems that support structured vulnerability mapping, risk scoring, and targeted mitigation planning. You will explore how supplier verification programs, auditing methods, traceability tools, secure documentation, market surveillance, and analytical testing can work together to deter fraud and improve detection. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe how effective prevention plans combine technical controls, regulatory approaches, industry collaboration, and staff training to create a continuous improvement system supported by real-world case studies, such as olive oil and honey fraud prevention. Thank you for joining us.